Well, hello everyone. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Susan Timchak and I am an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And I'd like to welcome you here today. Today what I have to share with you is an unboxing of my recent Stampin' Up! Order. This is actually a pre-order, a purchase product premiere. So let me go ahead and unbox this. I actually have two boxes. I received one the other day, but it's just been so busy and hectic around here that I haven't had a chance to get that open and share it with you. But let me just move the box out of the way because we are most interested in seeing what's inside the box, right? Okay, so this is new product. Let me get that out of the way. Tomorrow is recycle day. Yay! So I can get that out to the recycling for tomorrow. So let's go ahead and take a look at what I purchased. This is actually, well, this is our copper trim. This is not old. This is not new, I mean, this is old. This is the copper trim that was in the previous catalog. I got it because I thought it looked so stunning with this bundle. And let's take a look at the stamp set. This is a double stamp set. It's called Rooted in Nature, and it's a set of 2. And look at how stunning these are, and look at how big. It reminds me of Lovely as a Tree, but it's just so upbeat, and I love it. And I love the sayings to thank you for all you do. Words are never enough. Be strong, be happy, be you. Just for you. You are wonderful. Oh, thank you. Thinking of you. And look at this tree slice. I don't know. I love that. And I love the trees, all the different kind of trees and leaves and stems, and oh, it's just a real pretty set. And do you notice our new packaging? Stampin' Up! Has redesigned all of our packaging, and I think it's pretty classy with the black and white. And on the binding here on the end, they've made it larger so you can see. I don't know, maybe because we're now in 30 years, they think, you know, we're in the 30 group now, so our eyes are maybe not as good as they used to be. But I really like the packaging. I really like that the print is a lot darker, along with a new catalog too. This is the clear mount, and I have some good news about these clear mount ones. They are currently, Stampin' Up! Is currently testing in Japan a new, what do you want to call it, a new sticker sheet design. So if many of you know that follow me, I don't like to put the stickers on these because I find they don't stick to the acrylic blocks well. But we're having great success in Japan in trying out the new sticker sheets. So it's a different type of cling. So that might be something that's going to be coming soon. And I did watch another demonstrator in Japan, and she was loving it. So we'll keep our fingers crossed that the new stickers for the acrylic stamps come to be. And the other great thing with this is Nature's Root Framelit Dies. I always get confused. Framelit, thinlit, you know, I don't know. Just call them a generic whatever. So, oops, sorry about that. That was my dog. She wants to make sure you know she's here too. So look at the packaging on this even. Sizzix Big Shot for Stampin' Up! Nature's Roots Framelit Dies. I'll just keep talking because she'll eventually stop. There's probably somebody outside, or, you know, a leaf blew by. And here they are. They work perfectly with the stamp set to stamp it and then cut it out. And I love that feature. So I didn't get the entire bundle. I just got what the budget allowed for the time being. I did get the Designer Series paper. And this is called Nature's Poem Designer Series paper. And the colors are Blackberry Bliss, Cajun Craze, Grateful Grove, Mint Macaron. Yay! We have some new colors and some returning colors. Petal Pink, Rich Raspberry, Soft Suede, Tranquil Tide, and Whisper White. So I also got the coordinating cardstock pack, sorry, that goes with it. You get 8 sheets, 24 sheets total, and it's a great way to get the colors that coordinate with it. So let's take a look at this paper. Seeing it in the catalog is one thing, but seeing it in person, yeah, I love. Let me move these over. I'm like jazzed up with my camera here. Love the leaves. Look at that background. Wow. Oh, yes. I love this paper already. Let's flip it over. You get 2 sheets. Oh, yeah. So if the leaves aren't your thing, you know, you got something else to work with. Pretty, pretty backgrounds. Love this paper. And you know what? I have a sample to show you, too. One of the projects that we made at Onstage. Oh, look how stunning that is. It almost looks textured. And there's more like almost like a linen. Oh, look how pretty these are. I think this paper is, oh, woodwork. Always a favorite. And this is so stunning as well. And there's a striped. And a new friend that I made, let me reach over here. Her name was Lynn. She was at the Hartford, Connecticut event. And she was an on-stage presenter like I was. And this is one of the cards that we created using this suite. There are some metal embellishments that I did not purchase. And there's also some new baker's twine that coordinates with it. And I did not purchase that either. But look how stunning that card is. So yeah, a brand new suite that's coming. With lots more to go along with it too. So if you're interested in getting this, you will be able to purchase this on June 1st. However, if you decide to sign up with my team and be a part of the Stampin' Up! Family, you would be able to purchase this starting May 1st, as long as it's on the pre-purchase premiere. And I'm pretty sure it will be, because they offered these to us that attended on stage, and a lot of times when they open it up in May for demonstrators, they pretty much stick to the same thing. So we'll just have to wait and see about that, but I'm pretty sure that this will be. But yeah, it's a great new bundle, and I'm excited to start playing with it. And I want to thank you for coming along. I'm going to do the other unboxing separately, because I think there's a lot more stuff in there. And it's a whole new suite that there is a pre-purchase that you as customers can receive. So go ahead on to my stampinsucreates.stampinup.net if you'd like to place an order for any of the retiring items or any of the other items in the occasions along with the annual catalog. And I want to thank you so much for joining me here, and I hope to see you all again here back real soon. Bye for now.